friends, Amanda with Happy Hop is here. I am so excited to be sharing this newest collection between Disney and JuJuBe to celebrate Alice in Wonderland's 70th anniversary. They have teamed up to give us It's a Mad, Mad World. This collection will be releasing August 3rd, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the JuJuBe website, as well as select retailers. Look how pretty that is. So JuJuBe sent me 4 pieces from this collection. Look how pretty that is, some up close. So the hardware for this collection is gonna be this brushed matte silver. It's really pretty. There is one special zipper pull and it's the teacups. Look how pretty that is. So the teacups are on select pieces. Out of the 4 pieces that JuJuBe gave me, the Be Light has the teacup. The Be Packed, the front zipper has the teacup. And the middle of the Be Set piece has the teacup. So out of the 4 pieces I got, those are the ones that have the teacup. So like I said, August 3rd, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this collection is going to be limited. So if you want anything from this collection, make sure you're on there as soon as it hits 9 a.m. or whatever time it is with your time zone, because it is a limited release. They will not be restocking this once they have sold out. And then a fun fact for this collection, it all is serialized. So they have special serial numbers for each of the pieces that you buy. So JuJuBe sent me a Be Packed. This is my first Be Packed. They sent me a fuel cell, which you know I love fuel cells. They sent me a Be Set and a Be Light, also my first Be Light. So I'm gonna give you an up close view. So you have Alice right there. You have the Queen of Hearts. So Alice is talking to the daffodils, the wildflowers, the Queen of Hearts, and then you have some of her red roses here. You have Tweedledee and Tweedledum on their log, the Mad Hatter and his tea party, Cheshire Cat in the tree, and then you have the White Rabbit. Look how pretty that is. And even though this is a light colored bag, don't forget that JuJuBe is machine washable. Look at that. You got teapots and teacups. It's a very pretty print. All right, so this is the Be Light. Like I said, this is my first one, but I just wanted to mention that this is a new feature JuJuBe is starting to do where they add D-rings to some of their bags. So I know going forward, the Super Bees are gonna have the D-rings and the Be Lights are gonna have the D-rings. So the community really wanted to add that feature and JuJuBe listened, which is one of the reasons I love them. So you have the nameplate in the middle. You have 2 pockets that go all the way down to the bottom, which I love those pockets. And then that's the back. And then you do have a zipper, and again, the zipper is the cute teacup. You open it. So for this collection, it is a plus, so you do get a Be Light and a change pad. Look how pretty this change pad. It is a light change pad, so it is not padded. But there you go. So, and I have a list of all the bags that is going to be in this collection that come with change pads. All right, so in the interior, I don't know if you can see, you have this really pretty, you have the wildflowers and teacups and teapots on this white background, and they're all gray, so it's that light color still, so you can still easily find what you want in your bag. So pretty. All right, so for the Be Light, it's the main pocket. the main pocket of the bag, and then you have one little zipper there on that back panel, and that goes to right about there. So about midway to the bag. So that is the Be Light. And I will leave a link to a packing video that I'll do for this whole collection as well. Next up is the Be Set. I love the Be Set because it comes with 3 pieces, a large, a medium, and a small piece. And then it comes with a crossbody strap that is adjustable, as well as a clutch strap. So here you have your large Be Set piece. And I really like that JuJuBe did this. The 2 zippers close together, and if you're traveling or you just want it to be extra secure, you could put a little lock in there if you wanted to. Or you could put like a little key fob to attach them together if you don't want anything coming out. So that's the large piece. This is the medium piece. And again, this one does have the teacup zipper pull. So you can kind of compare. And I have pictures of these on my blog, which I will leave that link down below. So you can kind of see the difference in size. And then you have the small piece. And I like using this for my wallet or my battery pack chargers. And it does have a little D-ring right here. And then you have your adjustable crossbody strap. And then you have a clutch strap. All right. So that is for the Be Set. And then we will move on to the fuel cell. Fuel cell. I love this bag. It is insulated. It holds so much. I can hold all the snacks for the kids in here, which is perfect for Disneyland when we're in rides and they get hungry. It is absolutely perfect. I love this bag. And then it comes with a little handle up here. And I like this feature as well, that it has this clasp. And you can wrap it around your backpack strap if you don't want to carry it. That's how I carry these when I'm in the parks. I'll put this on the backpack strap right here, and it frees up my hands. All right, so the Be Packed, like I said, this is my first Be Packed. This is a Be Packed Plus, so this will come with the light change pad as well. So you have 2 water bottle pockets. You have a front zipper, which again comes with the teacup zipper pull. In the front pocket, you have 2 mesh small pockets, as well as the pocket itself. You have, let's do the main compartment. So it goes down to the bottle pockets. You have the change pad. And you have this big pocket right here. Goes all the way down to the backpack. You have the main compartment, and then on that front panel, you have a zipper, and that goes about halfway down the panel. And then you do have a tech pocket in here as well, which is right here. It is soft lined, so it's perfect for cell phones, so you're not gonna scratch your cell phone. And it does have this really cute backpack grab handle. I really like these. It makes it really convenient when you're just trying to grab it. And I really like this size for when you are getting off and on rides. Sometimes when I use my Zealous or my BRB and I'm like, they're stuffed to their brim, it's really hard to like just get on the ride real quick and stuff it in there. So I feel like this size is just great for getting on and off rides because it's pretty small. I mean, not pretty small, but it's a good size. All right, so yeah, that is the collection. I will leave the lineup for this collection down below, as well as a description to a link to my blog, which has all the descriptions, all the print comparisons for this collection. And yeah, August 3rd, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's a mad, mad world. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And if you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at happy.happas, which is HAPAS. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.